has decorated her plate. সে সুন্দর করে তার প্লেটটা সাজিয়েছে, এই যে এখন সে খাচ্ছে। সে নিজে নিজে প্লেটটা সাজিয়েছে, এই যে।
Bingali.
My mother has cooked beef meat curry and rice today. Yeah, I am eating with her. This is hodgepodge. I have cooked hodgepodge, and this is beef meat curry. My mother has cooked beef meat curry, and this is rice, steamed rice. My mother has cooked steamed rice, and this is cow head. I have cooked head. Okay, let's start. Chalo khai. At first, I am eating hot pot.